Good evening. My name is Coach Garrett Street. I coach both 7th and 8th grade athletics and have several sections of 6th grade pre-athletics. I'm the boys coordinator at South Belton here, which means I'm in charge of athletics and in charge of our other coaches. If you have any questions about athletics, please reach out to me. A little bit about myself. I am a Belton graduate. I graduated from Belton High. I went on and got a degree from Texas Tech University, Reckham. This is my third year in Belton. It's my first year as the boys coordinator. I've been at South Belton for 2 years previously, and I've been at Gatesville for 1 year before that. My main subject before I got into coaching and before I took this position was English. So I'm an English teacher by nature, coach by nature, and now I get to coach all day. And I'm looking forward to coaching your kids, coaching your boys, and getting them ready for athletics next year. I want to speak mostly to our pre-athletic parents and guardians. The goal of pre-athletics is to get your athlete ready for 7th grade athletics. So we're going to be in the weight room, we're going to be conditioning, we're going to be teaching and coaching positions and position drills. We'll get into the plays and stuff we'll run kind of towards the end of football. But they're going to get a little bit of taste of everything. When basketball season starts up for us, it's going to be basketball season in pre-athletics. When track starts, it's going to be track. So it's good for all of our athletes. We really look forward to having as many pre-athletic kids as possible move on to play in our athletic period. Pre-athletics is great for those athletes who aren't going to play football and basketball and those sports as well, because we are going to focus heavily on conditioning and strength training. So they'll be in the best shape they can be by the time they're in swimming or tennis or whatever they're playing or running in next year. So we look forward to having your pre-athletic kids in the class. 7th and 8th grade athletics, we're chugging right along. We're going to treat it and try to keep things as normal as possible. We are trying to keep kids further distance from each other. We're wearing masks as much as we can. And things are going to look very different. We're playing all of our home games up at Tiger Field. Oh, excuse our bell. Up at Tiger Field so that we can get as many parents and spectators in as possible. But that means that we're going to have to transport our kids a little bit different. Next week, we're going to be sending out information with your student about riding home and not on the bus, so riding home with your parents. And that's going to look a little bit different. Kids are going to be in charge of washing their clothes and doing things a little bit different this year than we've done in the past, just in order to meet guidelines and keep our coaches safe, because if we lose our coaches, then we can't play games. Athletics, like I said, so I am the head coach for our junior high, I guess. Again, my name is Garrett Street. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. You can either call the school or you email me directly. I'm pretty good about emails. I'll answer emails pretty much almost any time of day. I try not to answer questions on the weekends. And once we start games, not next week, we'll set up some times and I'll have a calendar sent out to our parents of those who are in athletics. That if you want to meet and talk about your kids' performance and all of that, we'll be able to do those things on Wednesdays and get to the point where we can. I'll set some sign-up times, and if you have any questions and want to meet, we can do those things. But email is the quickest way to reach me. I'll answer an email any time of day almost, unless I'm out in the town with my wife or we're doing something special. If I'm just sitting around the house, I'm answering emails. So if you need anything else, just let me know. Goodbye.